Chart speed controls the rate at which new information is added to the down imaging view, and the pace with which older data marches across the view from right to left. Chart speed is one setting that is universal across all imaging and sonar views, which means that when you change chart speed for one, you're changing it for all. Select Chart Speed from the Down Imaging Express menu using the up and down arrow keys, and adjust chart speed on a scale of 1 to 10 using the left and right arrow keys. Fine-tuning chart speed can have a dramatic impact on the down imaging view. If your chart speed is too low, objects will appear compressed, while a chart speed that is too high will make objects appear elongated or stretched out. Adjust your chart speed as needed to get the best down imaging views.